Hey guys, it's JakeNator here again with another Minecraft. No, we're not playing Minecraft. We're welding today, actually. So the Miata runs now, and it's just very loud. Sounds like a ride-along lawnmower with no exhaust. So I need to weld this little muffler that I got. It's a ow, fuck, it scratched me. It's a real cheap one. It's a thrush muffler. That's what it was. I got it at Advanced Auto Parts for about like $8.70 cents because it was on sale. And that's probably where I'd recommend if you need to get a muffler from. Just wait for them to go on sale. They have a bunch of like resonators too, like the glass black ones that are like really cheap. So I'd go ahead and get those if I were you. I'm just gonna make a custom exhaust on the Miata right now, so that I can drive it around and it doesn't sound awful. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna be welding in this video. I have the stock muffler there. I need to first weld this. This is like the thing that bolts up, because I still want to be able to use these bolts to connect it, so I can take this muffler off pretty easily. But that's what we're gonna go try to do today. Yeah, I'll go ahead and give you a closer look at all this right now. Alright guys, so I'm going to be stick welding today, and stick welding, it's a little bit more confusing, I feel like, so I'm going to be going ahead and showing you how I do it. Hopefully that'll help some of you. I'm still learning, so the welds are going to look like complete booty, but just know this is like my 4th time welding anything together, so hopefully it comes out well. I welded previous parts of the Miata's exhaust just so that it doesn't leak and back together, because I did saw some parts of it off. Anyway, yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I have the thrush muffler right there. It's definitely a lot smaller than this fat boy here. I just got some cheap little flex piping here that you can like bend. See, very slightly. It's not like the stuff at Advanced, but I got that at AutoZone, I think. So I'm just gonna start welding and show you that. Okay, I moved you guys around so you can get a better view of it. Jesus, there's so much stuff on the floor. Anyway, so what you're gonna want to do is grab the ground wire right here. So this one, and what's best is to like get some of the rust, if there's surface rust, off of it, so that it's metal on metal contact. Just hold that in place with this, and then we'll be able to weld it. So you are going to want to make sure that this is all clean. The part where they connect, that has to be clean so that the welds will actually work, so that the metal, the electricity can conduct between them and like arc weld it. So I'm going to be using the wire brush drill, and I will be cleaning that up. Alright, now you can see they have been polished there. They look pretty nice and shiny, so we can go ahead and start the welding process. Alright, and what I like to do is I like to use this kind of like a pencil, and then go from there. You gotta wait for it to, warm up first. Alright everybody, so after a little bit of welding, this is what it looks like. Again, weld's kind of not the best. I don't even know if that's going to focus, but I'm a beginner, so I'm still learning. And right there as well, it's still hot, I just finished it, but this is all one piece now. And it should mount onto the back of the Miata. So, I also had to cut and weld this because this was positioned wrong, but this, let me just crash into the garage door. This should mount up right there. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can even see it, but yeah, that's on the mounting thing right there, as far back, and this is almost on the floor. So essentially, I'm gonna have to re-weld something, but I want to bolt it up and just see how loud it is still. So that's what we're gonna do. And I think I'm gonna call it a video then. not that big of a deal. I can weld it off camera and fix it, so I just kind of wanted to show that making a custom exhaust is something that you can do at home if you want, with very rudimentary welding skills. Just need to find the bolts to bolt it on, and then I will get back to you guys. Okay, as you can see, it's kind of on. Going to move it here, and now we're going to start it and see how it sounds. Doesn't sound too bad. Give it a rev or two. It's a little oily on there, but it doesn't sound super bad, and once I get the exhaust rattle fixed and the thing in the right location, it should be good. Don't mind that explosion.